did it! I'm so stoked. I'm so proud of myself right now. I just dropped this whole subframe by myself. I had no idea what I was doing. But now that it's out, I realize how dirty the underneath of the car is. So I'm probably going to pressure wash this and then start doing the bushings. I'm replacing the bushings with some solid subframe bushings, and I got these ones from Offbeat Garage. I ordered them a really long time ago, probably before we even started the engine swap, but I haven't had a reason to really want to take off the subframe, so now is the perfect time to do it. Ooh. When we did the bushings for the 350Z, it was a lot easier to slide them in after they're frozen or been in the freezer for a while. So I'm just gonna unwrap everything and then I'm gonna throw it inside the freezer and wait a little bit, and I guess take out the rest of the bushings while we wait for these to get cold and then throw them in. For some reason, this insert was a lot easier to take out than that one, so that's why I just burned the whole thing. I'm trying to figure out which is the best way to take it out. If I take out the middle insert first and then I just burn the around it, the rubber parts around it, or if I just burn the whole thing from the beginning, because my hands are sore from using the jigsaw. So I'm testing it to see which one works better, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the last two. Blaine also reminded me about the drill method. So it's just to drill holes down to the bottom, and then it's supposed to be really easy to take it off. So I'm going to try to see if that works on that one. I literally can't lift this.
This is like not that. If you take off the bushing on one side, you could just let it fall off the bottom. But you don't want to take off the bushing.
Can you carry it, please?
You're gonna have to take it off anyway.
Why am I gonna have to take it off?
I don't know. It's just easier.
Can you just pull it, please? That's how you did it?
I would say use the jack stands to hold it up, but you've been using the jack stands for 3 years.
Okay, chill out. This car's literally been on Jack's since April. Before April. The diff is now out. I'm gonna drain the fluid and then we can start opening everything up and then start welding in. What are you doing?
Budget at all.
What are you doing? You like to dress up like a scientist when you work on cars?
You gave me these goggles.
I think the hardest part is to take off these metal sleeves. They're over there. Blaine just took all of them out and we tried to fit one of them in and it fits. So now I can throw the rest of them in. So I went ahead and cleaned out the diff. I used the power washer and then some brake cleaner and then just made sure that everything was dried overnight, and now we can start welding.
Got like a old, not an old school, but like an older camcorder, so we can have like a cool setup for like drift events and stuff. And I feel like a dad. I'm be like, this is Christine's 1UZ S14.
That's how you are already.
Tell them, are you excited about your car? This camcorder is from like 2000 and like before 2010, like maybe the early 2000s. Brand new, this thing was like 300 bucks. You know that?
Really?
Yeah, and I bought it for like 30 something bucks.
For real?
And I wanted this one because it records straight to the SD card.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, there's no thing. Yeah, see, it can record onto SD cards.
Oh, that's cool.
And it's super small. Look how small this thing is.
Yeah.
Got Christine's car. Yeah. 1UZ, baby. Got the Minervas over there. Oh, this has such like a like that old school, like, you know, like shaky but super sharp, like. Oh.
Are you excited?
I kind of want to see what the footage is gonna look like.
Yeah, let's try it out. Now the diff has been welded, I cleaned it up again, and then we're just gonna put some gear oil inside and then we can start sealing it up.